Hey, my name is Amar Patel. I'm an engineering manager on the security team at ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is a marketing automation platform. We basically help our customers help their customers. Snyk's enabled ActiveCampaign to get better insights into what sort of risks that we have on our platform and how we can do a better job addressing those risks in a more streamlined and frictionless manner. Some of the most common security challenges we see are some of the bad actors that try to find creative ways to exploit our platform. We decided to partner with Snyk in order to sort of get ahead of where we were at in terms of finding those vulnerabilities on our platform and catching them before they hit production.
The real differentiator with Snyk versus some of the other tooling that we were looking at implementing was the reporting and metrics. Just by far a much better product in terms of reporting and visibility than anything else out there that we tried. We use Snyk to identify vulnerabilities, and then we use Snyk to communicate with upper management that these specific items need to be addressed. So it really is about organization and communication first and foremost.
Partnering with Snyk was absolutely the right decision. They've been able to provide us with a constant pulse on our posture when it comes to dependency scanning, container scanning, and just seeing where we are when it comes to what our health is on our platform. Snyk has been great in terms of being proactive and less reactive, and that's the direction that I think every company wants to go.